Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need Chrome running, and if you use Sync, be signed into your Google account. Now open the Bookmark Manager with Ctrl+Shift+O to view folders and items at once. Once done, scan the left column for the folder where the unwanted bookmark lives. You can also use the search box in the top right to locate it fast. Make sure to keep the Bookmark Manager window visible while you proceed so you don't lose context. You can remove one bookmark by right-clicking it and choosing Delete. That removes it instantly from the folder. For multiple items, click the first, then hold Shift for Arrange or Control to pick non-adjacent bookmarks, and then press Delete or right-click and delete. Once you delete, Chrome usually moves nothing to trash. Deletions are immediate, so be deliberate. If you want to remove an entire folder, right-click the folder name on the left and choose. After deleting, refresh the bookmark's view and other devices if Sync is enabled to confirm removal. If a bookmark reappears, make sure Sync finished on every device and resolve any merge conflicts in Settings View and Google Sync. If you accidentally deleted something and you use Sync, you can restore from a Google account bookmarks backup or check the other device before it syncs. Otherwise, prevent future mistakes by exporting bookmarks first via the three-dot menu Export Bookmarks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.